Gradient descent technique in artificial neural network. This is an optimization technique whose main focus is to find the local minima. It is also known as steepest descent algorithm. Steepest descent in the sense going for the maximum and coming down, going to the peaks and falling down. You call it a steepest descent. Sometimes we use it to say the road is steepest when it is having more number of heights and downs. You call it as steepest. While minimizing the function, we are concerned with the cost or error to be minimized. We try to reduce the cost or else we try to reduce the error. We try to reduce the error as much as possible. For example, consider traveling salesman problem. For more information on traveling salesman problem, you please refer my previous video on optimization. The link is provided in the following description box. This gradient descent steepest technique is also useful in deep learning. It is more important learning algorithm in deep learning. The point here to remember is it focuses on local optimization but not on global optimization. So you see the diagram. So it is going up and going down. Main working criteria of this steepest algorithm, steepest descent algorithm. Consider the steps. First, we start with some initial guess of the solution. The gradient function at the output. Later, repeat the process by stepping the solution in the negative direction of the gradient. It is an iterative process. Every time we increase the step size in a positive manner and slowly it is moving towards the convergence. But following these steps, we reach the point 0. We reach the point 0 here. We have started here at the initial weight and slowly we are increasing the weights and slowly we are converging towards the optimum cost or optimum error size, minimum error size. So while considering this, you need to choose the mathematical combinations. That is, you consider the function fx and we try to find the minimum of this function. Consider the initial value x0 for x. Now take the gradient delta f of function with the initiation of that. The gradient will give the slope of the curve at that x and its direction will point to increase the function. Find out the best direction to minimize. Here the theta must be positive value, no negative values. The function is like this: xn plus 1 equal to xn minus theta delta f of xn. Here it should be some positive value. Theta is greater than 0. It should not be negative value. How to consider the step size? Step size, if the step size is very small, it may take number of steps. If the step size is too large, it may, instead of convergence, it may go divergence. So choose the step size in an optimum manner. There are two techniques to choose the step sizes. One is fixed size of the step size and another one is every iteration you can change the step size. Now we use stimulated annealing process. Annealing process is useful in metallurgical process. Annealing in the sense heating the metal to high temperature, heating the metal to the red molten state and allowing it to cool down slowly. You call it as annealing. In the heating and cooling process, the solid metal changes their properties. In the same way, in the same process, we are using this annealing in the neural networks also. So here we are slowly using this process. You see, this it is a metallurgical process. You see it in the diagram. So heating the metals to high temperature and allowing it to cool slowly. So the combination may be changing. So the uses of annealing process in the neural network. It is a stochastic computational method. It is inspired by annealing analogy. It is a global optimization technique. It follows feed-forward neural network. Consider the steps to be followed in annealing. First, generate a random solution. Calculate its cost using some cost function. The main objective is to reduce the cost as well as to reduce the error. generate the random neighboring solution, nearby solution. Calculate the new solution cost by the same cost function. If the new cost is less than the existing cost, then shift it to new cost, or else you continue with the existing cost. Almost this type of technique you have used it in sorting. For that, when you need to stop this, we have number of iterations. Until reaching the maximum number of iterations, we repeat this process. Thank you.